Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we are going to cover a common topic we have been receiving in our feedback and comment section. That is how to activate Revolut card. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit that subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out to any of our latest content. So first you gotta do, right? Make sure you have the Revolut app installed on your smartphone. If you haven't already, download it from the App Store for iOS devices or Google Play Store for Android devices, right? Now open the Revolut app and log into your account, okay? So here I'm looking at the a very helpful step-by-step guide to help us to activate a physical card. So I'm gonna zoom it in for you guys. So activating your card is quick and simple, right? And open the Revolut app. Go to the card section. That's gonna be the card icon on the top right. And once you are there, tap the card you want to activate. Tap activate card and enter your Revolut card number. And then that's it. Congratulations, your card is now ready to use. Activating a card is an extra security measure we have added to ensure you've received your card. So you won't be able to make your first transaction until your card is activated. I just want to point out that in case you need to check your card's PIN, you just select the card in cards section, the card icon at the top right, and tap on settings, view PIN. But if you have any questions or if you're having problems activating your physical card, you might want to go to the a physical branch itself, all right, to do that, or you just ask and help from a customer service support, and they will guide you through the process if you are having problems activating your card. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.